slow, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're joining us for the first time, my name is Derah. Welcome to Derah Sense. Yay! And here with me is my beautiful baby girl. Baby, what is your name?
My name is Luna Christy Ayima.
Okay, so she's going to be with us on this channel. Sorry, on this video. She's going to feature in this video. Yeah, guys. So in compensation for the cake that got the videos that got lost, we decided to bake bread on a charcoal pot. Aren't we sweet? I know we're so sweet, but and I know you guys are find it very difficult to admit that we are sweet, but no problem. But anyways, we're going to be baking on a charcoal pot, baking a bread on a charcoal pot, and I have never tried this. I just hope this turns out well. I just hope this turns out really good. Okay, guys. So my baby, do you have anything to say to them?
Yes.
What do you have to say? Alright guys. So I'll see you soon. I'll show you the ingredients that we have for the cake. Sorry, for the bread. For the bread. Now I was meant to make a coconut bread mixed with fish too, but I kind of forgot to buy coconuts and fish when I went to the market today, so we're just going to deal with what we have. Okay, so see you soon, guys. I will say bye.
Bye.
See you soon. You know, using a mixer helps the egg to actually blend in fast. Now see, this is the result. Egg doesn't need the dough for egg doesn't need to be strong, as if like that of chin chin or meat pie or donut. Okay, so I'm going to add water. Yes, baby. And then we'll mix. Now, while I'm mixing this, I'm going to leave it to rise. Cover it and leave it to rise. So my battery is low at this point, guys. But see, the reason why this place is all messed up like this is that this was the set of charcoal that was inside this pot before. So I've been trying to like ignite fire and it was refusing. So I had to pour this set of charcoal on the floor. I was already angry. Then putting this new set, and this is the result. Like, so now my charcoal is on fire, is setting up, and I'll move over to my what do they call it again? My dough to know how far it has gone. I'll check it out and I'll see you guys very soon. Can't wait to see what this whole bread thing has for us. Okay guys, at this point you can see from, if you had seen the previous dough that I left, at least this stuff rose to a certain you know, at a certain amount of time. If I leave it for a long time, like if I give it actually 40 minutes, it's actually going to rise higher than this. It was because I gave it like 20-30 minutes. That's why we're having this outcome, but which is still very much okay. You want me to spank you? So I'm going to butter my pan so that once I'm done,
Put it inside.
Thank you, my baby. You guys heard that, right?
Yes.
currently our bread is on. Guys, and this brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed filming this video, please make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, guys. Before I leave, I just want to say something. Now, my method of baking is different from another person's method of baking. Okay, some people of baking bread, actually, some people would prefer pouring the milk on a different warming the milk and pouring it in a different will I say a bowl, adding the yeast and baking powder and whatever condiments there, and then mixing the flour and butter on another in another bowl, and then mixing it into that water, that milk, and the other stuff. Okay, so mine, I decided to just pour everything inside the flour and all. So what I'm trying to say is everybody's method of baking is different from mine. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, baby, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Yeah, so like, share, subscribe, tell your friends to tell their friends that Derah Sense is on YouTube. Oh, it's on YouTube. And if you enjoyed this video, and until next time, we'll see you. Bye.